going on, man? We in the low-key cave. I got my sons and all my nephews here. As y'all know, Super Bowl tomorrow, so we about to watch some of the best kickoff returns. I'm about to put this in full screen. I don't know if y'all can really see me like that, but make sure y'all can see all of them. That's all it's about right now.
Oh my gosh.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Y'all ready?
Subscribe to mine.
Let's go.
By Brown at the half. Certainly changes things from a Kansas City perspective. Run that ball. Run that ball. Touchdown. Game. More space to kick off. And from 8 yards back, Cobb is going to bring it back. And the rookie breaking tackles on his way into Saints territory. And the second round draft choice goes all the way for a touchdown.
This is unbelievable. They flip him upside down. Another slip. Look at that. He basically does a barrel roll and comes out and scores a touchdown.
And gets it off under pressure and drives Peyton back to his 14-yard line.
Long time ago.
Eddie Peyton. He could go all the way. The left-handed play ball.
They still couldn't get him. Look, right there.
Penalized 5, they're 4th and 12 and they're 18. Deion Sanders brought his arms up again just for a moment, and Hatcher kicks it a mile. I mean a mile. Deion drifts to the left, takes it on 32, dropped it. Picked it up, one man missed him, another man missed him. Now he's going wide off to the right. Deion to the 25, to the 30, to the 35, the 40, the 45, the 50, the 45, the 40. My God, Deion Sanders is on the
Out of Indiana University to the Eagles, and later on it was Lombardi bringing him out to the Raiders. Jim Harbaugh, that is. And there's going to be a run back from 9 deep to Jacoby Jones. Jones is past the 50, and he is flying inside the 20, and a kickoff return, 109 yards and a touchdown, all-time record.
Ryan Plaquemire into punt for Seattle. Gets the kick in the air, almost blocked. Roscoe waits for it, fields it at the 36. Jab set to his left, cuts to his right. Roscoe in midfield, has an open field now at Seattle's 35, cuts to his left, spun around, still on his feet, at the 25, open field, 15, touchdown, Roscoe! Roscoe Parrish, unbelievable, 64 yards. He is electrifying. They had shots at him all over the field. Roscoe Parrish, unbelievable. Touchdown.
But on the ensuing kickoff, hold me close to Tiny Dantzler. Here's the headline on the highway. Woodrow Tiny Dantzler, the former college QB and future tightrope walker in the circus. Go. Way they took another look. We want to take another look at his 84 yards to 3.
Yeah, you watch along the sideline. It's like the triple jump in the Olympics. He stays on his right foot, obviously stays in bounds. Great call, and maybe the play of the year.
However, Houston's longest bomb didn't even count, canceled by a penalty. Yet almost any Billy Johnson explosion is worth viewing again and again, whether it counts or not. While these 6 points didn't count, others did, as Houston won it 22-10.
They got the field slowed down.
Getting things started, Green Bay won the toss deferred, so the Packers will kick off. Darrell Patterson will take it from 8 yards deep, and one of their #1 draft choices through the middle, and he starts things with a great run back being chased by Nastay. He can't get him, and all the way for a touchdown. And they're going to rule equals the longest play in the history of the National Football League. You can't have a play any longer than that.
Advantage. Gets his punt for Los Angeles. Proven cold-weather putter for his years at Cleveland. Drives Neggett deep. Dave Neggett, a rookie who's going to the Pro Bowl, breaks to the cross by 35. He's not done till he crosses the 40. Still on his feet. Neggett could go the distance. Dave Neggett's inside the 30. No one will catch him now. And the rookie from Carson State kicks at the distance with no flags on the field.
In 7 consecutive quarters, if you go back to the playoff,
the offense hasn't scored. On 4th down,
we're going to stop it right there. We're going to come back to hit y'all with some of them best NBA poster dunks, too. Y'all let us know some of y'all best NFL moments, some of y'all best Super Bowl moments. What y'all like?
Comment down below what's your favorite skill.
Yeah. Hey, the backflip and comment down below what's your favorite
Comment down what is your NFL favorite team?
Yeah. Give us your favorite NFL team too. Hit that like button.
NBA
hit that subscribe button. Road to 100 subscribers, man. We out.